From Wolf Gourmet, the way you cook is about to be revolutionized. Introducing the multi-function cooker. This high-performance appliance can slow cook, sauté, sear, prepare rice, and even sous vide. As a slow cooker, the manual, meal timer, and program modes allow you to plan and cook your meal to achieve precise, delicious results. Because of its intelligent design, the multi-function cooker does the work for you. Pre-program your dish to cook on 2 different temperatures, switching automatically, so you can tend to more important things. Or program your meal to be finished cooking exactly when you're ready to serve it. The option of a temperature probe allows you to cook sauces or meat to an exact temperature. Sauté vegetables or sear a filet. Cook 6 to 18 cups of white or brown rice and sous vide in temperature-controlled water for precise results. With the Wolf Gourmet multi-function cooker, you can create a culinary masterpiece with confidence. More precise control means more delicious meals every time.